Cooking with Ray. What are we cooking today, man?
Right.
Tell them. Chat to us.
10 baked potatoes, because they got fries still.
Alright. With
So
what
boil
else?
them. And then we're going to have that with tuna and gravy.
Okay.
And then a couple of wings as well.
On the side, yeah?
On the side.
Alright.
And we have rice as well. So we'll give it a little bit more to it. And then, oh, this is just that flavour to that water there for the potatoes.
Okay. You put garlic in the potatoes?
Yeah. So when you boil it, that will just go into it. And like fry it, have that little touch to it. I don't eat this piece. People do, but I don't. You don't eat that piece either.
Go Harsden chicken shop, innit? Big Ben.
Yeah, is that how you do it?
Yeah, they give you the wing tips and milk.
Yeah. I don't really like it. It's just plain. That is it going on this, because this is plain. That's ready to go. We'll just split. This one wants to split, that one wants to split. Something is working on me. That's why I said do it. Please do that. Well, as I said, to save time, man. Save time. I'm done. Yeah, those are done. Good. It's just to add flavor. They're going in with the butter. Mate, I'll turn you right up because I don't like when you are burning. That's because I forgot. Right now, let me put some stay. Yeah. Chicken cube.
What was in there?
Corn flour. And brown, a little bit of brown. Yeah, no, I do watch this thing. Yes, I said
Tickets start at £32.50 from alexandrapalace.com or Eventbrite.